Did you know that Coca-Cola has one of the most secret formulas in the world?
Today, I'll show you how Coca-Cola is made. First, water is carefully cleaned using multiple filtration systems. Then sugar or corn syrup is added to give Coca-Cola its sweet taste. After that, Coca-Cola's famous secret flavor syrup is mixed in. Next, carbon dioxide gas is added, which creates the bubbles we all love.
The drink is then filled into bottles and cans, sealed and packed.
And that's how the world's most famous soft drink is made.